Hello, what's up YouTube? The new update just dropped. And as you can see, there's a lot of new birds here in the index. And for today's video, we will try to get at least one of the new birds by hatching all these eggs that I collected. Let's start hatching these eggs. By the way, it's 9 mythics and 1 legendary. Yo, we already got one of the new birds. It's called turkey vulture. That is very interesting. Now let's open the rest of the eggs. Ooh, a hummingbird. I don't see that every day when I'm hatching. It's definitely very rare. Bruh. Yo, another one. Bro, what's going on? Bro, a swan on a mythic egg? Bruh. A shoebill, it's not bad. Now let's open the legendary. After I sell this shoebill, I'm expecting a better. Bruh, of course we got a swan. Now let's see how this turkey looks. Ooh, that's fire. It feels like a death bird, you know what I mean? Thank you for watching.